2Challenge is a great quick start tool for supporting learning engagement, promoting challenge, inspiring children and getting them thinking. The concept is based around key questions and cards with information on, which can be flipped or moved around. It's incredibly flexible and non-subject specific. Teachers might choose to use it in their starters for lessons, introducing a new topic, reinforcing key learning, or even for small groups of learners. Upon opening 2Challenge, teachers are presented with three main options: make your own, English, and maths. These contain lots of pre-made cards and a selection of questions to use or edit as required. Whichever mode is selected, teachers can edit as they wish, including text and sound, add pages, useful if setting up for the day or week, and add and remove cards. When ready, simply press play. Cards can be flipped and moved around in this mode to add more flexibility to learning. The refresh button can be used if randomised was selected in edit mode, and also teachers can flick between pages of content they have created. All created content can be saved, opened and printed from the hamburger menu here.